Hello, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Delicious Army, and today we made simple cinnamon bread rolls. This bread rolls mimic cinnamon rolls. The only difference is cinnamon rolls are softer and the dough is kneaded until it's smooth and elastic. Unlike this dough, which doesn't really require so much kneading, and it has this breadish texture. Very delicious. You will enjoy this. The exact amount of ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box. Kindly check that and use them. Also note that in baking, the quantity and the way you make your dough matters a lot. So I would advise you use the exact amount I used so you can achieve the same result I achieved. The dough proof for 30 minutes until it has doubled in size. And then I roll it into a rectangular shape. With the help of my rolling pin on my hands, I separated the dough to form this rectangular shape. Kindly note that you don't want a running dough or a sticky dough. So one way to know your dough is perfect is when it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. As you can see in this video, my dough is not sticking to my rolling pin, and that's because I have the right measurement in my dough. Bowl, added soft brown sugar, cinnamon powder and salt. Mix this properly because this will be our filling. This will be the filling we'll be using for the cinnamon roll. I added more cinnamon powder compared to the brown sugar because I want more flavor, more cinnamon flavor to this bread roll. Into the flattened dough, add the mixture of the cinnamon powder, the brown sugar and the salt. Then roll it up gently. Roll this tightly to form a cylindrical shape. I place marks on them. This is to equally divide them into equal sizes. So I cut them up. Kindly ensure you light grease your baking pan. I grease my baking pan with margarine, butter, and then I place the divided doughs into it. I allow these doughs sit for the next 10 minutes to improve. Then I bake them in my oven for 10 minutes under 270 degrees Celsius. I enjoyed mine with some cold Greek yogurt, and I would love you to recreate this recipe. Kindly drop your questions in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.